You've been there. You spot a perfect support level, place your trade, and watch price hit your stop loss, fracture your setup, and then immediately launch in the direction you originally predicted. By the end of this video, you will have a complete step-by-step supply and demand system. You'll know exactly how to map the zones where institutions enter their positions and how to time your own execution to match them. You don't need expensive software. As long as you have a basic understanding of candlestick anatomy and access to a standard charting platform, you have everything required to apply this. Following this specific sequence allows you to stop reacting to every minor price fluctuation and focus exclusively on the footprints left by major market participants. Step 1 starts on the 4-hour chart. Before we look for entries, we need to confirm direction by identifying a clear trend with at least 2 consecutive breaks of market structure. Once you confirm the direction, trace the most recent explosive breakout backward until you find the quiet consolidation phase that immediately preceded it. To map a bullish zone, highlight the final consecutive downclose candles before the breakout. This quiet pause is where big players built liquidity. A common mistake is drawing massive blocks. To keep things tight, restrict your zone to a maximum of 3 base candles. Keeping this origin zone tight filters out the noise. You are isolating the precise area where institutional accumulation took place. Step 2 is the waiting game. When price cycles back to your 4-hour zone, you have one strict rule: never trade the very first touch. Wait for price to penetrate deep, crossing the 30% depth threshold inside the zone. Impatient traders buy the outer edge but get stopped out. The smart money approach waits until a candlestick crosses below that dotted line, confirming deep mitigation. Demanding this deep mitigation keeps your capital safe. It prevents you from becoming retail liquidity for institutions sweeping the edges to finish their business. Step 3 begins the exact moment that 30% threshold is breached. When that happens, immediately drop from your 4-hour chart down to the 15-minute time frame. Now we magnify the price action to look for our specific trigger, a clear market structure shift. We need to see price aggressively reverse its pullback. Watch for the 15-minute candles to break and close past the most recent swing high against the downtrend. This 15-minute structural shift signals that the temporary pullback is over and that the lower timeframe momentum is now realigning with the higher timeframe trend. Step 4 is execution. With structure shifted, we use one of 3 specific entry models to place a limit order and catch the continuation. Model 1 is the fair value gap. Look for an imbalance left behind during the impulsive breakout and place your limit order right at the upper boundary of that gap. Model 2 is the mitigation block. Here, price forms a swing low, a swing high, and then a higher low. You enter your trade at the base of the candles formed between those initial swings. Model 3 is the breaker block. In this variation, price makes a lower low to grab liquidity before shooting up. When price retraces back into the down close block, you execute the trade. Let's apply these rules to a real euro-dollar chart in a bearish scenario. We spot a clear downtrend on the 4-hour chart and map the origin of the last break of structure. Price pulls back, mitigates our zone deeply, and we zoom into the 15-minute chart. A bearish structure shift confirms the rejection. We identify a bearish mitigation block, place a sell limit order at its midpoint, and target sell-side liquidity below the recent lows for a clean 3-to-1 reward. The process is identical for a volatile asset like Bitcoin during a bull run. Find the unmitigated origin zone. Price dips in, triggers a structure shift, leaves a fair value gap. Place a buy limit, and price retraces, hitting the take-profit target. Matching a precise lower timeframe entry model to a validated higher timeframe zone removes emotion, ensuring you only execute when criteria are met. Your entire supply and demand framework is now a 4-step checklist. Confirm the 4-hour zone, verify the 30% mitigation, wait for the 15-minute structure shift, and execute your entry model. Discipline is your final filter. If price hits your zone, but the 15-minute confirmation never forms, the trade is voided. You simply walk away and protect your capital. Open your charting platform right now. Pull up Bitcoin or the Euro, scroll back, and locate the last unmitigated origin zone to test this sequence yourself. A true trading edge doesn't come from predicting the future. It comes from executing this exact rule-based system and having the patience to wait for high-quality setups to develop.